Flood-free community? Check. Exclusive subdivision? Check. Malapit sa private schools, hospitals, and malls? Triple check. If you've been waiting for the perfect home, this might be the moment you've been praying for. Avail our pre-selling price bago pa tumaas. Introducing Bella, single-attached house inside FCIE, Barangay Langkaan 1, Dasmariñas, Cavite. A home designed for comfort, convenience, and your family's next big chapter. Why this home is a total winner? 3 bedrooms plus family hall sa second floor. Imagine movie nights, kwentuhan, bonding moments, lahat yan every day. Elders room plus maid's room sa ground floor. Para kay lolo at lola, no stairs, no hassle, just comfort. 5 toilet and bath, no more morning rush, no more waiting, lahat may sariling space. 2-car garage, secure, spacious, and hassle-free. Lanay area, your new chill spot for coffee, plants, or quiet mornings. Premium finishes, classy, elegant, and built to impress. This is the kind of home that feels luxurious the moment you step inside. Lot area is 150 square meter, developed area is 180 square meter. A bigger, better space for your growing family. At syempre, location advantage din. Malapit sa Tagaytay, SM, Robinsons, De La Salle Dasma, Lyceum, Philippine Christian University, at De La Salle Medical Center. Everything you need nandito na. All of this for 12.5 million, negotiable pa. As low as 10% down payment, pwede ka nang lumipat. Complete turnover na, may free CCTV package at free landscaping pa. Plus, hindi pa tapos yan. More promos and freebies ang naghihintay kapag nireserve mo to for only 80,000 pesos. Secure your slot today before prices go up. Don't let your dream home slip away. This is Reggie, your property consultant. Let's turn your home goals into something real.